What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Bienvenidos de nuevo, mis amores. Hoy les tengo un video. Today I have a video for you. Unboxing my PR package or welcoming package from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is, I can't even speak because I'm so excited. This is literally a dream come true. I have had this box for like 3 days almost, and I haven't opened it because the past few days my husband has been in the house, and I honestly need to be alone when I'm filming. I need to be in my zone, so I just kept it in the box till I had a chance to be completely alone and like get all my emotions down and be as excited as I can be, because this is literally a fucking goal, you guys, literally. Anyways, I am just so freaking grateful to you guys, to Anastasia, to Nortea, because they have given us and have given me this chance to even be part of the family and trust me to work with their products. You know what I mean? Like, this is just so fucking amazing when a brand trusts you that much with their products for you to showcase them. So yeah, I just want to go through everything that I received because I know that's what you guys are here for, and I have not opened this. This is the first time, and it's a huge box, you guys. Like, look at this. Oh. It is so heavy. Oh my god, everything is just so pretty. It's so much stuff, you guys, like, whoa. Okay, so I'm just gonna try to go through everything so you guys can see. They're literally sending you guys all of their brow stuff, even their tweezers, their scissors, and everything. I was not even aware, you guys, that they had so many different eyebrow stuff, so this is pretty awesome. They did send me my shade only, which is pretty nice. They literally shade match me. Like, that is so crazy, you guys. I'm so excited. We have literally all of the brow stuff, so that's the first thing I see. Oh my god, we even have their dip brow pomade. They sent me my shade, which is the one that I always use, soft brown. They also sent me their brow powder duo and even a waterproof cream color gel liner. Oh my god, that is so cool. Anyways, let's move forward because I want to show you guys everything. This is so exciting. This is all of their blushes and bronzer, you guys. They did send me kind of like what would suit me best, basically. They sent me 2 bronzers, and then we have like 4 different blushes here. I'm gonna show you guys everything close up in a minute, of course, because I'm gonna lay out everything so you guys can see everything. I just want to like talk to you and let you guys know how excited I am. This is just like a dream come true, to be honest. For somebody that love makeup and does makeup, this is literally everything. They did send me their new powder highlighter, all 3 new highlighter. I've been dying to try this. They just look so amazing. The packaging itself, it's so pretty and glittery. I cannot wait. Oh my god, you guys, how cute. Look at this mirror. Oh shit, I'm so excited for this mirror. Whoa. I'm excited now to do my makeup with this little mirror. You guys know I always use that Kiss looking mirror from Urban Decay. This is so much bigger and it has a handle, so this is pretty nice when I'm doing my makeup. Oh yes, honey, yes. I love this, so cute. Next, okay, I'm just gonna go through the smaller thing. We have a sponge as well. Dying to try that to see how it works. I'll let you guys know. We also have a keychain. Love it. It's so cute. It's rose gold. I'm definitely going to be putting my keys on this baby right here. It is so pretty. It has a heart shape. What is this? We have a pin. Oh my god, you guys, we got a pin too. I actually have a little collection on my jean jacket of all of the pins that I do have, so this is pretty nice. I'm gonna add this to my collection, and it's in the form of a tweezer, and it says the name of Anastasia Beverly Hills, the brand name. I've been dying to try this, you guys. This is their new dewy set setting spray. I love anything dewy, so this is like, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm gonna definitely do a whole week of freaking just applying and trying everything from Anastasia Beverly Hills, because oh my god, there is so much in this box. Like, we still have so much. This is crazy. You guys, they did send me all of their palettes. Well, their latest palette, basically. Look at all of this beauty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is their Soft Glam eyeshadow palette, which I have not tried either, so I am beyond excited. This is definitely more of a neutral, kind of soft glam girl type of look, but oh my god, I cannot wait. We also got their Prism palette. I sound like I'm saying prison, but it's Prism. It's super pretty. I love the pop of colors in these as well. I cannot wait. Of course, I do have the Modern Renaissance, so I might give this away, you guys, so stay tuned for that. Oh my god, these palettes are just so pretty. And actually, you guys, the finish of the packaging is like a velvety finish. It's the same one as the Modern Renaissance, which I like almost on all of them, except for these for the later palette, Riviera. But anyways, this is their Nortea eyeshadow palette. Definitely excited to try this because, hello, it was chosen by Nortea, even though she does a lot of eyeshadow, but this is like with her, you know what I mean? Like personalized. And of course, we have last but not least the new latest eyeshadow palette, which is colorful, the Riviera palette. I am excited to try this because I live for color, so this is definitely up my alley. Brace yourself because you're definitely gonna hear the word excited many times in here, and I apologize, but by the way, you guys, I'm in my comfy clothes because that's how all YouTubers do it. You only see this usually, like super cute glam, but after the low waist, it's like homeless, honey. Oh my god, you guys, is this all their lipsticks? I never tried their lipsticks. I have tried the liquid lipsticks, but never their lipsticks. How many are here? Oh my god, this is a lot of lipstick. Yes, it is. Yes, you guys, these are all of her lipsticks. I'm not sure if it's all of them, but there was 15 lipsticks in here. Oh my god, I can't wait to go through all of them. This is so pretty. I'm just gonna leave them out because I really want to do a cute layout and take a picture of this because, oh shit, we have brushes. They even said that brow brushes has to be like some of the freaking best amazing brow brushes. Like, are my brow gonna be even better now? Like, guys, they literally sent all the brow brushes. Like, wow, I didn't even know there was so many of these. Interesting, exciting, cannot wait. We also have our sharpener. Cannot go wrong with a ABH sharpener. Oh my god, you guys, we have all of their contouring, highlighting palettes as well. Let's just go through it. This is their contouring kit, light to medium, my shade. Definitely excited to try this. We also have their cream contour kit, which is definitely my favorite type of thing. One is cream. I love anything cream, so I'm excited to try this one as well. And then here we have all of their highlighting palettes. We have their Glow Sugar kit. Well, these pens are huge, you guys. Oh my god, they're so big. We have their Moonchild Glow kit. Ooh, this is so pretty. I hope you guys can see this, by the way. We also have their Glow kit Sun Dip. Ooh, this is so pretty, you guys. Oh my god. And last but not least, we have their Dream Glow kit right here. This looks very intense, and like it will give you the ultimate glow right here. This is so pretty. Oh my god, look at this color. They're like almost so different. I don't know. Oh my god. You guys, we got more brushes. Oh my god, so shocked. Brushes, wow. Like, wow. A lot of eye brushes, face brushes, like pretty fucking awesome. This is a lot of brushes, you guys. I was not expecting brushes whatsoever, but now I'm even more excited because I could literally do a whole face just using ABH. Literally, like I have everything needed. And these are, oh, I think these are foundation, you guys. They sent their foundation stick. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've been dying to try these. You guys, they sent their foundation stick and they did send me 4 different shades. Really hope they do like kind of fit my skin tone. Really hoping for that. But foundation, oh my god. Whoa, you guys, this is all of their glosses. Let me put one right now because wow, this is so pretty. You guys, literally all of their glosses. Holy shit. So I'm gonna try the shade Butterscotch. This looks really pretty. Like this color, it's nude, it's cute. Ooh, yeah. They feel so creamy and they smell so delicious. Something sweet, really something like you would eat. Like it's really good, like a cupcake or something. It smells like that. Damn glosses, oh my god. Still got a few more stuff, you guys, here. Holy shit, we got all of their fucking lipsticks. Wow. Well, I don't think this, no, this is definitely not all of their lipsticks, but we did get a lot of their lipsticks. That's crazy. Like, look at how many lipsticks we got. We got so many liquid lipsticks, you guys. Oh my god, there's so many here. This is crazy. And last but not least, you guys, we got Whoa, we got some other loose shadows. Look at this, you guys. This is so pretty, and I actually never seen this, but holy shit, these are so cute. Look at these. Oh my god, this is so amazing of them. So we have more of a warm, natural looks, and then more colorfuls right here. Two huge, giant, customizable eyeshadow palette. This is pretty freaking awesome. Besides the eyeshadow, these are customizable as well. I'm not sure why, but only one eyeshadow is missing here. Don't know what happened to it, but still, this is a lot, you guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys a super close-up of everything because this is freaking amazing. Anyway, love, thank you so much for watching. I truly, genuinely hope you guys enjoyed this video. This doesn't come from any bad part of my heart. I just genuinely am so grateful for this because this is an opportunity that is like one in a lifetime. And that's literally it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much to Nortea and AB8, Anastasia, the whole team. Thank you guys so much for this opportunity. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So many looks that I already have in mind to create and just like represent this brand. It's so freaking amazing how they support literally so many of us Latinas, like literally everybody. They're so diverse when it comes to their PR list, which is one of the reasons why I love supporting them. Anyways, my love, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you on my next video.